The future of oil rigs. 10 innovations that will change the industry. New trends in the oil and gas sector are improving the sector's effectiveness, safety, and intelligence. To achieve this, businesses look into effective and competitive ways to digitize, automate, and address challenging surface engineering issues. For instance, artificial intelligence, AI, algorithms give oil and gas firms a competitive edge, and let them boost oilfield or well productivity. Furthermore, processing times are accelerated and the demand for human labor is decreased by the gradual deployment of sophisticated robotics and data management techniques. You can watch this video to learn more about the top 10 oil and gas trends and innovations that are affecting businesses all over the world. The Oil and Gas Innovation Map also identifies 20 hand-selected startups engaged in developing technologies. Get in contact to discover customized insights. Number 10. Internet of Things. The IoT is used by the oil and gas sector to increase output, optimize machinery, guarantee worker safety, and keep an eye on outlying locations. Real-time data collection is made possible by sensors installed inside blowout preventers, BOP, choke valves, and wells. O&G startups use this data to swiftly identify defective equipment, assisting field engineers in foreseeing and responding. Oil and gas facilities can reduce maintenance costs and obtain thorough visibility into their machinery or processes by using IoT technologies. Sensitive is an Australian firm that offers ways for various industries to get the most out of IoT networks. The business sells its Internet of Things, IoT, platform, Robotics, which automates control, conducts remote monitoring, and opens maintenance requests. Also, this enhances the wells, pipelines, and industrial equipment's safety, dependability, and efficiency. Moreover, Robotics assists oil and gas operators in reducing overall operating expenses, OPEX, and enhancing return on investment, ROI. Number 9. Computerized intelligence. As it relates to upstream, middle, and downstream operations, the oil and gas sector increasingly uses AI and data science to tackle complicated problems. Platforms with AI help decision-making by providing information from predictive, prescriptive, and cognitive analytics. To boost ROI, AI assists petroleum engineers and managers in the oil and gas sector in finding and putting into practice fresh concepts for exploration and production. A US-based business called Nudax offers upstream oil and gas companies AI solutions. The startup assists field engineers in more effectively and confidently developing their resources. Deep learning and reinforcement learning are just two examples of the cutting-edge analytics and data science that the startup's AI platform Fractax includes. Oil and gas operators can examine tens of thousands of oil well characteristics with Fractax, weigh their alternatives for completion, and create refracturing strategies. Number 8. Analytics and Big Data. In the oil and gas sector, routine operations produce significant amounts of unstructured data. Data analysts in the sector can gain insights from production and performance data with the aid of big data platforms. Engineers trying to maximize production and guarantee the security of reservoirs can also benefit from this. Moreover, historical information on earlier operations helps develop and validate AI-driven algorithms and models. The oil and gas sector gains more value from routine decisions to lower operating costs and carbon emissions by utilizing big data analytics. Number 7. Automation and Robotics. The safety of people is frequently at stake because oil and gas operators frequently operate in complicated conditions. The oil sector is implementing robots and automation solutions to reduce this risk and speed up operations while also increasing workplace safety. In oil rigs and refineries, robots are helpful for industrial automation, surveying, and inspection. Robots and automation speed up processes and require less labor, which boosts productivity and lowers errors brought on by humans. Sencha, a US-based firm, provides intelligent automation solutions to cut down on the amount of time it takes for oil and gas companies to engage during detection, diagnosis, and resolution. The startup's platform for connected technology facilitates automation and digitization in the oil and gas industry. More operational effectiveness, safety, and asset productivity are also provided by Sencha's oil and gas production, transportation, storage, and processing solutions. Petrotechnical specialists and process engineers build the best production plans and minimize equipment downtime using the solutions. Number 6. Modeling and visualization in 3D. The creation of realistic representations of subterranean reservoirs and other O&G equipment is made possible by 3D modeling and excellent visualizations. 3D modeling mimics the production and injection phases throughout the reservoir's life cycle, in conjunction with historical production data. This makes it easier to foresee risks that affect the reservoir's safety. Oil and gas engineers optimize production and operations planning based on the data. Moreover, 3D modeling and visualization increase performance for the oil and gas assets while lowering costs and reducing risks. Upstream oil and gas industries can use the cloud-based platform called XXSIM thanks to O&G Cloud, a Singapore-based startup. The platform includes simulation modules for thermal, black oil, and compositional reservoirs. XXSIM provides tools that convert simulation files from outside simulators in addition to the platform. Reservoir engineers forecast reservoir performance and provide essential inputs to enhance production from a reservoir using the XXSIM cloud computing platform. Number 5. Cloud computing. By storing and processing data on distant computers, cloud computing can free up pricey local memory and processing power. The regular operations of the oil and gas industry produce tremendous volumes of data. Using software and cloud technologies improves oil and gas efficiency, security, and scalability, and also makes the digital transformation process easier. Cloud-native solutions allow for advanced analytics, illuminating visual dashboards, and remote access to real-time insights. These tools include as-a-service platforms, which include platform, storage, infrastructure, data, and more. Tools for complete petroleum asset management and well data analytics are available from US-based firm Energy. The tools of the startup integrate operational, production, and economic data into a single platform. It identifies operational adjustments that raise productivity and lower overall costs for O&G businesses. The firm also provides InterDiligence, cloud-based software for the assessment of oil and gas reserves economically. The accuracy of acquisition and divestiture, winking and laughing, evaluation, integration, and oil and gas asset management is improved by diligence software. Number 4. Virtual and mixed reality. Augmented and virtual reality, AR/VR, mixed reality, MR, and extended reality are all examples of immersive technologies, XR. Reality technology-based solutions for the oil and gas sector increase productivity and decrease errors by displaying information on tools, equipment, and parts in real time. Companies in the exploration and production, wink with tongue sticking out, sector, for instance, use augmented reality, AR, technologies for virtual training, downhole imaging, and remote monitoring. Moreover, O&G startups integrate the physical and digital worlds to enable human-machine interactions with the aid of wearables and smartphone alerts. Number 3. Making execution systems. To regulate the production process, MES incorporates manufacturing facilities, operational technologies including supervisory control and data acquisition, SCADA, and computing systems. Engineers look for ways to monitor and manage the ongoing operating operations since the methods used to manufacture oil and gas equipment are so complicated. For the oil and gas sector, MES provides intelligent industrial architecture with integrated control. In this way, it makes oilfield technologies possible that guarantee more rapid, risk-free, and dependable production. Any industrial operations company, including oil and gas, mining, and utilities, can benefit from the MES solutions provided by Australian startup Cognate, Gnosis. Oil and gas equipment manufacturers may use real-time production data, with the startup's support to optimize operations, boost efficiencies, cut waste, and improve equipment efficiency overall, OEE. Additionally, the firm provides IoT solutions for network security, employee training, and predictive analytics. Number 2. Predictive upkeep. Data collection from sensors installed in the field is a component of predictive maintenance and operations, and it is combined with machine learning algorithms. As a result, engineers can evaluate equipment problems rapidly and take prompt maintenance action. Operators in the oil and gas industry can anticipate future breakdowns thanks to predictive operations and software systems. Moreover, all upstream, middle, and downstream sectors can benefit from predictive maintenance. These solutions increase safety, increase the lifespan of systems, and lower operational and maintenance expenses. A US-based firm called TwinThread uses digital twins and threads to help manufacturers learn more quickly from the vast amount of manufacturing data currently present in their organization. The predictive operations platform from TwinThread was created specifically for use in industrial settings. Insights into OEE, material, and energy costs are provided, along with predictions of throughput and asset life. Number 1. Blockchain. Many industrial oil and gas businesses are starting to use blockchain more and more. Smart contracts offer the security and transparency that are sorely lacking in oil and gas papers and operations. Distributed ledgers maintain smart contracts and verify contractors and employees. Moreover, blockchain enables oil and gas companies to automate accounting for joint ventures, post-trade settlements, and invoices. Blockchain is especially helpful for intragroup billing, retail B2C, and tracking hydrocarbon fleets. Blockchain and IoT are used by US-based startup OnTheFlow to enable the automation of oilfield transactions. The business automates the procure-to-pay process for fluid haulage by utilizing sensor data. The tracking offered by OnTheFlow's technology increases transparency from load to discharge. Also, it lowers the carbon footprint of the oil and gas industry while improving operating efficiency. A US-based startup called BlockGemini provides transparent and secure business solutions for difficult oil and gas procedures. The business uses blockchain, AI, and IoT to enable the oil and gas sector's complete digital transformation. This covers predicting and demand pricing, as well as planning, warehousing, and transportation. Oil and gas firms are now able to digitally exchange and coordinate plans based on projections and make business, improving decisions thanks to the cloud-based platform. By making numerous oil and gas processes transparent, the solution also improves overall operational efficiency. How was the video? Did you enjoy it? Post your feedback in our comments section below, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates.